lad. He's 18 years old now. Doesn't show much signs of slowing down though. We're having a Jamie chase where Frankie is trying to catch his lunch. He's trying to grab his farm. He does quite regularly. Beats me all the time. The falcon probably achieves its greatest speed when it rises up high above its prey. It tucks its wings in and dives out of the sky, stooping. It's close. Frankie's not going that quick today because he's not racing off. He's staying ever so tight, trying to tie me in knots. But if he was to stoop from 1,000 or so feet, I'm quite sure he could reach well over 100 miles an hour.
Ooh, truth.
Recording over 200 miles an hour.
Really got it closer.
So they're incredibly quick. Now Frankie has worked hard, so it's time for lunch. He can have his reward. He'll give it a raking blow, knocking it with his feet. And if we were to have slowed that down, his feet will have been clenched like a fist, and his back claw will have been stuck.